Right. How do you go about analysing a poo?
So it starts with our keepers. So what our keepers will do is they'll have mark the poo of an individual. So they'll give, for example, one of our rhinos. So they know that that poo belongs to that rhino. They'll feed the animals wheat or sweet corn, and then that'll obviously pass through and it'll come out in their poo, and that's how they know that that poo belongs to a specific individual. So they go along for us and they collect samples every other day, mainly for our elephants, rhinos, akarpis and onagers. They're our routine species really. And then they bring that up to us, and we use this method of extraction where we add methanol to the poo because the hormones prefer to be in the methanol rather than the poo, understandably. And it goes through this massive long process and we end up with this little liquid extract, and we run it on what's called an enzyme immunoassay. So it's a competitive we put antibodies in there and we put the hormones in there, and it lights up in different colours depending on how much hormone, and it's that we then use to plot over time. So it's a very continuous, long-term kind of thing, because we can't just take one sample for one individual and say that animal is pregnant. It's all in relation to each other. So with our elephants, we've been doing this since 2007, so we've got continuous data over the past 9 years, and we'll only know if an animal is pregnant by monitoring them for 3 or 4 months into a pregnancy, and that's when we can then tell the team. So it's really interesting.